on the qualifications of Ramil Madriaga. Madam Chair, kine-question po ito ng ilan. Let us talk about our resource persons according to his affidavit. Ramil Lagunoy Madriaga, a graduate of San Sebastian College of Law, and a former officer of the PSG and VPSPG. He is not a stranger. He was a close ally and leader who formed the ISIP movement at the VP's direct instruction. May mga humihiling na i-disqualify siya dahil sa mga kinakaharap na kaso. But under Rule 130 of the Rules of Court, a witness is qualified. Kung ako gustong questionin ng abogado, questionin ako dito. Ano nakalagay? Sa Rule 130 of Rules of Court, a witness is qualified if they can perceive and make known their perception to others. It is ironic that critics demand the presumption of innocence for the Vice President while simultaneously trying to disqualify a witness based on unproven charges. Hindi ba naniniwala tayo? Kung hindi pa po yan kinonvict ng korte, yan po'y suspect. A suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Oo yan. Nabasa ko po yan. Naniniwala ang mga abogado dyan. Hindi po ba? Oo. Ito ang nakalagay dito. Kaya sabi ko, it is ironic that critics demand the presumption of innocence for the Vice President while simultaneously trying to disqualify a witness based on unproven charges. You cannot have it both ways. Kung presume innocent si Vice President Sara, edi presume innocent din si Ramil Madriaga. Ngayon, ito po, gusto ko rin sabihin, magkaiba ang competency to be a witness at credibility as a witness. Ano po pagkakaiba? Yung competency, pwede ba siyang tumistigo? The answer is legal yes. Oo. Yung credibility, kapanipaniwala ba siya? That is for this committee to weigh. Let him speak and let the evidence do the talking. Mga kaibigan, Madam Chair, hindi santo si Madriaga. Hindi naman santo ang hinahanap natin kundi testigo. Dito, sa hearing na ito, we are looking for the truth. We are not looking for a saint. History's most important whistleblowers are rarely individuals without a past. To block witnesses and suppress documents is not a defense of the law. It is a defense of secrecy.